Okay, I'll see if I can explain how to build this bead tool and how to put it together. This is just a piece of stock that I turned down in my lathe. You turn this end of it down to the inside dimension of your tubing that you want to bead. You leave a little shoulder on it, and if I were to build this again, I would make this part a little longer because I generally put this in the vise to use it, and it would be nice to have more area to clamp it in the vise. This one is a little wobbly, but it does work. Then you drill through the center of it. With this one I went with a 3/8 hole all the way through. You drill through the side of it with whatever size of drill bit to match the size of ball bearings you're using. And when I drill through the side, I don't come all the way out of this side because I don't want my bearings to be able to drop all the way out. Then they're always falling out, and it's kind of a pain to use it. So it's slightly undersized. You just don't run the bit all the way through. These are just ball bearings I've saved. And to assemble this tool, you just drop them in. Which can be kind of fiddly sometimes. There's one, and there's the other. So you can see that bearing doesn't come all the way through. It almost does, but not quite. And this is just a 3/8 bolt that I've cut the threads off, and I've ground a ramp in it, and also a flat spot on one side. That flat spot is just so that you can slide it in past your bearings. I'm putting this together backwards. I'm going to turn it around. So once that's in, you can turn it. And you find the lowest part of that ramp, you ground in the bolt, and the bearings will drop down flush. So you can slide your tube over it. Then you turn the bolt slightly, and that ramp raises the bearings and applies pressure to them on the inside of the tube. You turn your tube on it, and it creates a bead. It's just that simple. Thanks for watching.